Primroses are great, very colourful, but one of the problems is that birds, especially sparrows, seem to be attracted to them, especially the yellow ones. And they can either be after the flowers themselves, or they'll be after pests such as aphids that are actually nestling in here, and so they'll feed on those. But they can do quite a bit of damage to the plants and the flowers. One of the easiest ways to actually stop that is to actually use short canes, and they only want to be a few inches above the plants themselves. And then once you put the canes in, you actually string cotton, fasten it to each of the canes and run it round like a net. Some people use black. I prefer green because it's more difficult for them to pick up because of the colour of the leaves. And it doesn't really hurt the birds, it just frightens them. They try to land, they get startled, and they keep away. An organic way of doing it is you can buy something called grazers. And one of the particular types of grazers is used to deter birds, particularly pigeons, but also other birds, from eating the plants and actually doing any damage to them. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.